Have you ever wondered how tiny electronic devices control the flow of electricity? One important component that makes this possible is called a diode. But what exactly is a diode and how does it work? Let's break it down in simple terms. What is a diode? A diode is a small electronic component that allows electricity to flow in only one direction. Think of it like a one-way street. Cars can go forward, but they can't go back. In the same way, electricity moves through a diode in just one direction. How does a diode work? A diode has two sides. The anode plus, which is the positive side. The cathode, which is the negative side. When you connect a battery to a diode correctly, with the positive side to the anode and the negative side to the cathode, electricity flows through. But if you flip the battery, the diode blocks the current. Why is this important? This is important because diodes protect circuits from damage. Imagine you plug in a phone charger the wrong way. Without a diode, the current could flow backward and damage your phone. Types of diodes. There are different types of diodes, each with a special job. LEDs, light-emitting diodes. These diodes give off light when electricity flows through them. They are used in TVs, phone screens, and indicator lights. Zener diodes. These diodes help regulate voltage, preventing circuits from getting too much power. Diodes are everywhere. They are in phone chargers, radios, and even solar panels. Without diodes, many electronic devices wouldn't work properly. So, to recap, a diode lets electricity flow in only one direction. It has an anode plus and a cathode minus. It helps protect and control electricity in devices. Different types of diodes have different uses, like LEDs for light and Zener diodes for voltage control. Now you know how diodes work in a simple way. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more easy tech explanations. Thanks for watching.